Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Introduce my name is Jajang Gunedi. I am a postgraduate student from Department of Physics Education Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I will present the result of research on evaluating student higher order thinking on geometrical optics in the distance learning during COVID-19. It's my outline will explain introduction, method, result and discussion, lastly, and conclusion. Higher order thinking in the learning is the most important part of learning outcome because the domain of 21st century skill and one of the indicator are explained in revisit Bloom taxonomy, namely the dimension of knowledge and cognitive process. In the 21st century skill, we now foresee, namely creative thinking, critical thinking and problem solving, communication and collaboration. In the revisit Bloom taxonomy, we know how which mean analyze, evaluate, and create. So, from this relationship, the learning process requires students to have skill, knowledge, and ability in the field of technology. This is important where almost all technological development was were initiated by the discovery of physics, especially geometrical optics in the physics learning. The emergence of distance learning during COVID-19 shall have been appropriate and in line with the 21st century skill in the area of the industrial revolution 4.0 and society 5.0. However, the reality in the field is there are many problems to occur. So the government through the Ministry of Education and Culture makes a policy on emergency curriculum during the COVID-19 pandemic with various obstacles in distance learning, even decrease in learning achievement or learning loss. And that happen on average to students who have a high level the economy is not good. Whereas based on previous research, it has been proven the effectiveness of distance learning in improving student learning outcome. So the overcome this problem, we need to evaluate this distance learning process by looking at the distribution of student high order thinking in this distance learning during COVID-19. How is the distribution of student higher order thinking? So this study aims to evaluate student higher order thinking on geometrical optic material, where implementation of distance learning during the COVID-19 pandemic. Method research design. In the research design, we ask an observational research design with a cross-sectional study approach that can help in the understanding how students score within a certain range of value in the some learning process with the new curriculum. The new curriculum here is emergency curriculum during the COVID-19 pandemic. Participant, the data collection technique used was cluster random sampling with a total of 306 participants for all students of class 11 SMA Negeri or senior high school in the Subang district, taken from school representative in 3 different areas, namely the north is close to the beach, the middle is the city center, and the south is a Mons area. Each has characteristic in the learning process. The instrument used is hot type question which can measure the cognitive process of the revised Bloom taxonomy, namely analyze, C4, evaluate, C5, and create, C6, uh, where the question give are 20 multiple choice question and 2 essay question that have been test empirical and have the validity and reliability. For example, this is question number 17, student higher or thinking on analyze aspect. Data analyze technique. For data analysis, use a quantitative descriptive approach. Then a percentage is made for each indicator based on the assessment criteria. For example, this criteria, higher or thinking. Result and discussion. Student higher order thinking in each region. The findings show that the instability of the internet network, the lack of readiness of teacher and teaching material, and the difficulty of monitoring learning progress will give poor result in improving learning outcome, especially in student higher order thinking. It is important that the role of the teacher use learning strategies that are in accordance with current condition by carrying out a lot of practice and collaboration between students for effective distance learning. Based on figure, it is also found the mid-urban area dominate all aspects of student cognitive level. The importance of training student higher or thinking will be able to help them prefer to solve new problem, adjust to new situation, and make a decision about certain problem. Student higher or thinking in every aspect. The average student higher or thinking of student for each aspect of the cognitive level is in the sufficient category. Specific, spec, specifically analyze aspect enough, evaluating aspect enough, and creating aspect less. This table can be used as a guide in applying and integrating thinking skill in the learning process. Higher thinking is a major component of creative and critical thinking. Recapitulation of student higher order thinking based on the figure 5, the results show that there is still a need for finding and developing distance learning strategy during COVID-19. Lastly, conclusion, student higher order thinking on geometrical optic material as a whole is in the sufficient category of 27.02%, and implication, future implication, namely providing good facilities, uh, emphasize collaborative learning strategies, and provide the application of question in an effort to improve student higher or thinking. Thanks, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.